Hey guys, also wanted to update you on my RKT position since RKT fucking rocketed today. Absolutely amazing. I went from being down about like $6,000 to being up 1,400. And I actually sold some calls today for $27 expiring this Friday, and I picked up what $756 on these calls. So I made 756 bucks. I'm hoping that RKT doesn't go past $27 this week, which I don't think it will. But if it does, I'll just buy them back because I like RKT long term. So it is pretty close to the previous resistance, but it doesn't. I don't think that RKT is gonna jump up to $27. I'm still keeping all the money in my account just to kind of make sure. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys on the position. Currently sitting at $64,000 for RKT, up $1,600 after hours. It does seem like we're moving up towards the upside. And I sold $27 calls expiring this week on Friday, and I'm still holding $30 calls for March 19th. So I'll see you guys later.